Hi everyone, meet the Gromast Travel Crib, a lightweight and stable 2-in-1 portable playpen perfect for toddlers and babies up to 3 years old. Its trapezoidal design ensures even support, preventing tipping and keeping your baby safe while playing or sleeping. The breathable mesh sides provide excellent ventilation and visibility, plus a convenient zippered door lets your little one easily enter and exit. Setup is a breeze with a folding design that locks in seconds and weighs just 15 pounds, making it easy for parents to carry and store. This versatile crib features a removable bunk bed and soft mattress, creating both a cozy sleeping area and a spacious play space. Easy to clean and comes with a handy carrying bag designed for shoulder or back use. Whether indoors or outdoors, this travel crib offers comfort, safety, and convenience wherever you go. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.